A wonderful man.
Your name is
A wonderful man.
I
now believe. I now believe in you. I believe in God. Oh.
Makadina ruka me charabero kwere na neme.
Oh. You are God sent.
I don't know. The Lord will restore you.
Amen.
Sure. Vulture on your head. Vulture on your head. How many times have you come? How many times have you come? Huh?
Sir?
How many times have you come?
Once.
Today is your first time. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm seeing vulture. You are dying slowly. There is attack in your life. Attack in your life. Do you know the meaning of vulture? Udele is flying on your head. That means the death is knocking at your door. Death is knocking at your door. Everything is scattered. Everything is scattered. You are struggling to see change. Everything is scattered. Where is your wife? Did she come here with you? Huh?
I came from Delta State, Asaba.
Delta State, Asaba. Oh, you came listen.
Deliverance service.
You came before. That's 2 days ago. Huh?
Yes, sir.
May you not die.
Amen.
Oh, may you not die.
Amen.
And somebody who is attacking you is very close to you. Very close to you. They have messed your family up. And this person is close to you. May you not die.
Amen.
May you be restored.
Amen.
Do you believe you can still be restored?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
And that is why I came here.
Everything is jaga jaga for you. If it's not that you are coming for the first time and I don't know how you can handle this, I will have mentioned someone's name for you. But I'm not having confidence of calling somebody's name to you. But somebody is crippling you. You will have gone far than this. Tell your wife to wipe her tears away. God will surprise both of you.
Amen.
The two of you communicate. She's facing like this and you're facing like this. Eh?
You're a wonderful man.
Your name is
You're a wonderful man. I now believe. I now believe in you. I believe in God. Oh.
Makadina ruka me charabero kwere na neme.
Oh. You are God sent.
I don't know. The Lord will restore you.
Amen.
I would like attention with him, even if it's 1 second. The man will have gone far, but internal problem affecting him seriously. I don't want to mention name. He has a good heart. He will have gone far. And the worst is that when there is external attack in the house, there is no peace. Everything is scattered. But God will restore you.
Amen.
Bring him after the program. Onya se na nwa anwo ke ha protarual. Akwe hona na ogwola. Chukwu Emeka. Awuno yempora.
No, sir.
Akpọrọ m mmadụ a.
No, sir.
Ihe mmenụrụ bụ na Chineke Emeka.
Yes, sir. No.
Bịa biko, ndị saịdị a chere nụ ka eje ebe ọzọ.
My prayer every day, Father,